Good evening, respected doctors, academicians, friends of PRSI and managing committee, communicators, co-panelists, media friends, moderator madam, and my dear students. Recalling and saluting today Edward Burney, father of public relations, and Farooq Mullaji from India, and Ram on the occasion of Ram Navami. I myself, Dr. Meetal Makran, from behalf of Sigma Group of Institutes, Vadodara, Gujarat, India, congratulate you all to represent and face the audience from the prestigious platform of Public Relations Society of India. पहले ही मुझे जैसे बताया गया है कि वक्त बहुत कम है and I am sure कि as a true communicator you should finish before time, so I hope I will try that. And I am glad today to present my perspective on COVID-19 as a communicator. When I'm saying this, it was last Dhuleti when I was detected COVID positive. And so today when I'm speaking this, I have segmented my talk on three major segments, like what of not to communicate, right? My own experiences regarding media and media role in COVID-19, and my appeal to media and PR friends. In a quick brief to begin with, I would first like to begin what Edward Burney had said recently before me. Pallavi Hota tell that she is a student of PR. I hope she should know this and many other future media professionals. He wrote in 1971 that public relations effectively used helps validate an underlying principle of our society: competition in the marketplace of ideas and things. Why it is important to read this? Because when I am a corona warrior now, have overcome now, and having faced this corona phase as a patient and having gone through media as a communicator, not as a mass, what I discovered that I should stop getting news. The first thing stuck in my mind is I should stop getting news, either print or electronic or social media. So I isolated myself, right? I should stop reading chats which are broadcasted over my WhatsApp. I stopped picking up the phone calls. I avoided receiving phones. And what I should practice is interpersonal communication. I don't know most of the students who have joined are from communication discipline or not, but interpersonal communication is to be with yourself, to communicate with yourself, right? So you talk to your body, you talk to your mind, look at your soul, and I gave myself attention with meditation, some of the hobbies, which I would never get a time with my office duties, and some of the positivity from within to share, like going through the old memory lanes, watch your old albums, your favorite movies, right? And बहुत ही अच्छी बात बताई मेरे दो वक्ता से पहले जो वक्ता थे डॉक्टर साहब ने, डॉक्टर लोकेंद्र जी ने, कि इंफॉर्मेशन, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आती है उसको मान ना लीजिए. यहाँ I will like to quote that little knowledge is dangerous thing. You might be knowing or understanding only half of the what is shown or what is said or what is you are listening, right? Because you are not that subject expert. And as एम्स डायरेक्टर एम्स ने भी बताया कि हर एक का जो बॉडी मैकेनिज्म है, everyone's immunity is different. So case wise the reaction and effect of corona will be different from patient to patient. So you can't set one example which will be affecting or directly, which is set as a rule for mass. No, it cannot be like that, right? So all these things what I did, and I will share what some couple of things I have practiced as a patient, that spending time, as I told you, with your own movies, hobbies, old albums, sleeping more, because it is better for immunity. Avoid the handphones and mobile phones, especially talking to relatives who keep on advising, who keep on giving you the negative most. They will start with the negative most example or negative most things which can happen you in corona. So sorry for being so much harsh, but this is what I have practiced. And as a media professional, what we have seen is we go in showcasing, in projecting our own media, we consider it as on very commercial face value. Say we deal with sensationalization, we deal with TRPs, we deal with likes and visits which are made on that social media material, specifically talking in terms of news. So which has an effect of educate, inform and aware on the audiences by default. Right? It has a, why I want to see the news? Because I want to be informed. I want to be aware. I want to get knowledge, right? Thinking over that. I want to be educated and up to the scenario, the current scenario is. I am giving one example. I was in Indonesia as a diplomat, dependent spouse for the past 4.5 years. 4.5 साल में इंडोनेशिया में रही, जो हमारा सबसे करीबी नेबर देश है. It's the closest maritime country neighbor, Indonesia, from India. I witnessed the Indonesia's media behavior in peak of pandemic season. Peak of pandemic season में मैं वहां पर थी. I will talk स्पेसिफिकली इन टर्म्स ऑफ वन न्यूज़पेपर. वहां एक अखबार आता था, वो अंग्रेजी में पब्लिश होता था, जिसका नाम है जकार्ता पोस्ट, राइट. एंड वो जो डेली पब्लिश होता था वहां इंडोनेशिया में, वो सॉफ्ट कॉपीज भी उसकी अवेलेबल है, इंटरनेट पर देख सकते हैं, जांच सकते हैं मैं जो कह रही हूं उसके बारे में, कि मैंने वहां पर कोई भी सनसनीखेज हेडलाइन में नहीं देखी. मैंने ना ही मृत्यु आंक देखे, मैंने ना ही डेथ रेट देखा. बिकॉज इंडिया एक ऐसा कंट्री है जो मेडिकली बहुत स्ट्रांग है. हमारी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज के लिए हम मेडिकल टूरिज्म भी शुरू कर चुके हैं. वी हैव सेट एन एग्जांपल टू दिस वर्ल्ड दैट इंडिया इज अ कॉम्पिटेंट इन मेडिकल सर्विसेज. कंसिडरिंग द केस ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, इट्स नॉट सो. It is not medically that much uplifted in comparison to India. वहां पे भी ऐसी ही मौतें होती होंगी जिनके बारे में मैंने कभी ना अखबार में पढ़ा है, ना उन्होंने डेथ रेट कभी दिया है, ना कितने लोग इससे महामारी में कोई हॉरर, कोई टेरिफाइंग नथिंग. हाँ, एक चीज मैं हर रोज अखबार की हेडलाइन में देखती थी, कितने लोग कोविड पॉजिटिविटी से बाहर आ रहे हैं, कितने डॉक्टर्स उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, कैसे डॉक्टर्स उनको ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या खान पान होना चाहिए, क्या लाइफस्टाइल होना चाहिए. इट वेरी एडुकेटिंग. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चे कैसे एडजस्ट होके पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसे टीचर्स को चैलेंजिंग रोल मिल रहा है ये ऑनलाइन का, मदर्स कैसे घर में बैठ के वर्क फ्रॉम होम और बच्चों को भी संभाल रही है, कैसे पॉजिटिवली सोसाइटी को अपलिफ्ट किया जाए, ये हेडलाइंस होते थे. And you can see the Jakarta Post, any of the issues you will find in the soft copy. I was really struggling to get the status of that country as क्योंकि मैं वहीं पे रहती थी, तो मुझे जानना था कि एक्चुअल सिनेरियो क्या है. And you know, you are that जिज्ञासु होते हैं हम जब वो मीडिया पर्सन हैं, क्या क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या खान पान होना चाहिए, क्या लाइफस्टाइल होना चाहिए. इट वेरी एडुकेटिंग. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चे कैसे एडजस्ट होके पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसे टीचर्स को चैलेंजिंग रोल मिल रहा है ये ऑनलाइन का, मदर्स कैसे घर में बैठ के वर्क फ्रॉम होम और बच्चों को भी संभाल रही है, कैसे पॉजिटिवली सोसाइटी को अपलिफ्ट किया जाए, ये हेडलाइंस होते थे. एंड यू कैन सी द जकार्ता पोस्ट, एनी ऑफ द इश्यूज यू विल फाइंड इन द सॉफ्ट कॉपी. I was really struggling to get the status of that country as क्योंकि मैं वहीं पे रहती थी, तो मुझे जानना था कि एक्चुअल सिनेरियो क्या है. And you know, you are that जिज्ञासु होते हैं हम जब वो मीडिया पर्सन होते हैं, तो we want to know the right facts and scenario. How people were coming out of corona, how doctors are helping, the artists को वो लोग प्रमोट करते थे कि कैसे कुछ आर्टिस्ट ने कुछ इनोवेटिव एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए और वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कैसे थे, राइट, हाउ इट इज हेल्पिंग, साइकोलॉजिकल इनके इम्पैक्ट क्या होते हैं, काउंसलिंग्स वर देयर इन द फ्रंट पेज ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर. तो फिर से मैंने जिनसे ओपन किया था, जिनको सैल्यूट करके, सर एडवर्ड बेंड्रे, ठीक है, जिनको हम याद करके पब्लिक रिलेशन डे वर्ल्ड में भी याद रखा जाता है और नेशनल में फारूक जी को. एडवर्ड वॉज नेफ्यू ऑफ सिगमंड फ्रॉइड and he worked as a war propaganda team in World War I for US government. उन्होंने अपने 1991 के एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मुझे काम करने के बाद ये लगा कि if any propaganda could be useful for war, why it cannot be for peace? Right? So same is my appeal and my question to my media friends. Please consider, if any propaganda can be for negativity, terrorism, TRP, sensationalization, negativity in the society, the same TRP and sensationalization and attention can be created through positivity also. So his notable works as PR professionals are very famous. The media friends should definitely go through some of the books. Like I would like to quote here, which media friends, media students should definitely go through. It was like Edward Benray's biography of ideas. It is very popular book. काफी चीजें उन्होंने लिखी है कि PR का रोल क्या है. What is how it is an agent, it is a bridge of media and society, right? And that bridge of positivity can really bring what you want to see as a change and some positivity in the society, because he was in his times a big opinion maker as a public relation professional on public smoking opponent, being woman hairstylist and fashion bringing in public, and anti-smoking, etc., etc. So what I mean here is, if some strategy is used for negativity, then why not for positivity? So in my perspective, winding up myself in 2 minutes, you can act best positively in times of crisis. One example from Shri Ramchandra's life, I think the best example of his PR skills also, that when his exploration was in unknown jungle for 14 years, he got the manpower of unknown kings, unknown monkey kings to fight the war, to find his wife, the labor resource and manpower to build the Ram Setu, right, to communicate with Kevat, the boatman, or Shabri, to the king of the unknown jungles. So it is not easy. That it is one of the message to take home today from Ramayana, that PR is an excellent weapon in the time of crisis, right? So there is nice duha which I will wind up with. तुलसी इस संसार में भांति भांति के लोग लिए मिलिए प्रेम से नदी नाव सहयोग. The role of PR, role of media friends is to become a boat and a river, to act a bridge to finish the cause. So I hope the cause for which we are united today would be end up in very positive manner. India will come out with corona very soon with the help of media professionals like all of you, like all of us, academicians like all of you, doctors like all of us. So thank you very much for inviting me here. I thank moderator ma'am and all the dignitary panel members who have joined here, giving their valuable time. I thank the audiences who are watching right now, commenting us, and have joined online. Thank you very much once again on behalf of entire Sigma Group of Institutes. This is Dr. Mittal. Thank you very much.